Hey fishy people, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm coming at you with another video. This time we're going to talk about fish food, specifically monster fish food. So Xtreme Aquatics makes a monster fish food pellet that is 9 millimeters, which is rather large compared to other pellets that you've seen me talk about. It was formulated especially for those people that keep monster fish. So this is great for things like larger cichlids, arrowanas, green terrors, peacock bass, bichars, other larger fish like that. Think fish that have a little bit of a mean streak in them, so they'll want to kind of hunt. So they're created to be a slow sinking pellet. That way fish can attack them at the top level and as they slowly sink through the water column as well. Now, because this is such a large pellet, you probably don't want to feed these to anything that's under 5-6 inches in size. Otherwise, they might choke on them. The ingredients in this food have been designed to give a balanced diet to these larger fish. Now, like other extreme foods, it's not all its name is made for. You can grind these up and get into smaller fish. You could drop one in your tank and let it slowly sink to the bottom for your bottom feeders if you can't find a bottom feeder food. Some people say they throw these in their tank and let their fry peck at them because they're slowly going to absorb that moisture in the water because they are a slow sinking pellet. So they're going to slowly sink to the bottom and the fry are going to be able to peck at them the whole way down. Now, as for the ingredients in this food, we're going to start off strong like most all extreme fish foods. We got squid meal, we got fish meal, we got shrimp meal, along with vitamins to help our fish out as well. And then when we get to the crude analysis, we're going to have about 38% protein and 5% fat. I'll put these on the screen for you guys too. Cool note, while I was researching this food, I found that some people in reviews of this food actually said they feed them to their turtles and other semi-aquatic animals that are scavengers. And it brings out a cool, unique scavenger activity out of these animals. So you can actually see how they scavenge for food in the wild, because as it falls and breaks apart, they have to then go look and scavenge through the water and the bottom of your tank to find their food. So just a cool interaction I thought I would share with you guys while I was reading reviews on the food. So it just brings that another level to interacting with these pets that we keep. Overall, this food is a good choice for those keepers with larger fish, or if you want to try something different with other aquatic animals and non-aquatic animals that you can add to your tank as something that they can slowly feed on or have it sink to the bottom and get scavenged on. Kind of cool if one of these fell down, broke apart on the bottom of a sandy substrate, and you got to see your cories digging in that substrate for it. So I'm going to give these, since I haven't tried it, but it's right up there with ingredients for all their other foods, I'm going to give this food a 8 out of 10. And once I've actually tried it on a monster fish that I'll be getting soon, I'll come back and give you guys an update review. As always, thank you all so much for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you fed this food, if you want to think about feeding this food, if you'd feed it to a monster fish, or if you'd do it for something else. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.